Back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing some unboxings of some phones I picked up on eBay. And the address is on this side, so I'm going to try not and show it, so I don't have to do any editing really. Here's the first one here. Says the top is bad, so probably a flex cable. Definitely a flex cable. Which I have a few of these I'm needing parts for, so I got two of these actually. I bought these from a seller there on eBay. This one has bad screen. I'm just wanting one with a good motherboard that's unlocked so I can take care of the rest. These are both V3Is if I remember right. V3i and I think that was V3i, just really rubbed off. There's those two. So that's the reason I picked up those, so hopefully I can make one of the ones I have work. This was a phone lot off of eBay if I remember right. This came from eBay as well. Try to move the tripod here real quick. Well, that's kind of leaning up against the desk so it doesn't rattle and shake, but let's see here. They all kind of just fell out of the bag. Here's the Blackberry with the sticky rubber to be stuck in there. Here's a Blackberry Bold on Verizon. Looks like has a screen protector on it, maybe. Indeed it does. Looks like it's got some bite marks in it, maybe from a dog. Can't speak today. It does have a SIM card. It means it's probably a global phone, I think. Blackberries at this time were no SD card. Can't get the battery out. There we go. Let's see, 9650. I think that's what it says. I think it's 9650. There's that one. Obviously, it's going to have no power because the Blackberry, it never does. This one I've seen on a lot. I picked it up. I think this is a Microsoft Kin. There's a slider phone. Pretty sure the back comes off like that. There we go. It does have a battery. Maybe it's a Sharp Kin. I don't know. I really don't know much about this. I've seen them there posted before. I don't see an SD card either. So it's Verizon Sharp, runs on Windows operating system. There you go. Pretty rough shape, but I really don't know why I bought this lot, but I was kind of curious, I guess. I guess that's a power button there. I guess then me pushing on it did absolutely nothing. That was battery release. There's that. LG Chocolate Touch, if I remember right. VX8575. No SD card. I'll probably have a couple of these, so I'll probably going to turn around and sell this one on my eBay store. Plan on posting some. I got a whole bunch of Samsung upstages I'm going to be posting. So I got a lot of iPhones I'm going to post that are just parts. Battery's a little swollen on the Samsung Intensity 2, I think. Yep, 2. SCHU 460. I think I already have one of these as well. We will see though. No power. Some damage up there on the top. I think these usually are really fragile LCDs. I think I've seen a few of them with broken LCDs. LG the Neon. see, GT36 5GO, so maybe it's a Go phone. Does have a SIM card in it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. I think I got this off of eBay, but I did maybe a drop test on one of these, and I remember the slider going through the side. I wonder if it's one of my old phones, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to look through the video and see. This one kind of looks familiar as well, but it can't be. I'll screenshot the listing and post them. I know these don't look like them. These two really kind of look like my old phones. I'll post a screenshot of the listing I bought. Here's the LG. I'm not sure the model on this one. Does have a battery, SIM card, LG C395. No SD card on this one. Probably gonna have no power. Here's an LG VX5600 on Verizon. There's like a lot of these things are everywhere. LCD looks good. And then I think we have 2 more maybe to go through. Great. Now I'm going to do some editing. That was his address too, so all these covered. I'm not going to be like that. LG micro USB charger. And this phone is Sanyo Incognito. The model number, I guess Kyocera possibly too. I don't know. They were together at one time. Let me do this real quick. SCP-6760 KBK. I think it's just 760. Found this on eBay, and I do like my phones with boxes if I can do it, so I will keep an eye out. Usually if I find one with a box, I will usually buy it if it's not too expensive. Charging port there. I was looking for the SD card. Opened the wrong one. No SD card. I'm pretty sure it has a battery because I'm pretty sure it was listed as working, so yeah, should turn on. There's a charger for it, so pretty decent shape. Like I said, these usually always scratch because they're just plastic. Vibrate motor is really strong, it sounds like. These front displays usually don't work, so I'm kind of curious if it works. If I'm guessing, it probably doesn't. Oh, the battery did. Yeah, I'm going to assume it probably doesn't. I don't know why they don't work, but I've had a few of them. They don't work. I just end up selling them. And then here is the last one. I've had this one for a few weeks, I think. So I'm not sure what this one is, to be honest. I done forgot. I will probably remember that pretty soon. This is a Samsung SPH M300 on Trumpet, I think it was, wireless, or Trumpet Mobile. Yep, M300. So like I said, it's pretty much a Sprint version, just with a different name on it. It's pretty much just a sticker, to be honest. It's probably over the Sprint logo. It doesn't have the Samsung logo on the top either, which is kind of different. I always hated these packages because the way they throw the phones in there doesn't look like a Samsung battery, does it? Because they just slide around and being plastic on plastic. They usually scratch pretty bad. If I'm guessing, this one's probably got some wear on it somewhere. It actually looks pretty decent, but you can see on the back cover some of the scratching. See where it doesn't move? That's on the actual phone. But yeah, picked this one up. I think it was like 20 bucks. I can't remember, to be honest with you. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.